Hi everybody! So today we are going to be looking at this new subscription box that I got for my kids called Wonder Crate. So this is our first box that we've gotten, so we don't really have an opinion if we like it or not. So we'll do an unboxing and show you what's in it. First it came in this cool little tin lunchbox. And inside is, so when you open it up, it has on the lid here, these are all the, let's see here, the things that you kind of need to be able to complete things in this box. So each project will say like that maybe you need to use your creativity and compassion to do a project, or you need to be brave. Okay, so let's go through the activities in here. First, we have a thing that I came with some string and beads, and we are going to be making a binary code bracelet. And so, like, here's the skills: curiosity and persistence that you'll need to complete this project. Okay, so here, this is Wonder Crate. What is in this box? So this box has a book about Bill Gates, a little read-up thing about this little boy, Kender. He's the creator of Pollinator for a pet app. And then learn the language of computers and build a binary code bracelet. Then you're going to build your own computer game using Scratch. You're going to test your inner skills with a role models card game and earn your curiosity magnet to display on your box. So here's the curiosity magnet that then you'll get to stick on your box. It's a magnet. And about Wonder Crate. So Wonder Crate was made by these two moms, and we are two moms and educators on a mission to help kids discover their inner skills needed to pursue their passion and make a difference in the world. Our hope is that each box will inspire kids to get started on their journey of self-discovery and find out how good it feels to contribute positivity to the lives of others. Find your amazing and share it with the world. Okay, so here is a game that is the Role Models card game. And here's a dice. I'm assuming you use this dice with it. Here's a little game piece. So I kind of peeked at this real quick before. So you choose a character that you're going to be. So you either choose a role model that you like, or you can be yourself. And then, I'm not quite sure exactly the rules of playing it, but then you draw cards. And so here is a card that stand up for others. You see a child being mean to another child and ask the child to stop. And then it says, if you stood up for a friend this week, you add 4 to your roll. So if your character is brave, add a bonus to your roll. Here's another one. You miss a lot of problems on your math test, but you stay positive and determined to improve. So if you stayed positive through a tough event this week, add +3 to your roll. Hopefully this is giving you an idea. You want to get better at playing an instrument, so you practice every day. If you practice something to get better this week, add 4 to your roll. So this is the Role Models Challenge card game. Next is build your own computer game using Scratch. So here's 3 cards that tells you how to do that. I peeked at this real quick a minute ago. This looks really fun. This will be cool. You go to scratch.mit.edu and you then create a computer game. Here you get to read about this little boy he's the founder of Pollinator for a Pet, an app to help people create pollinator-friendly gardens. And a book on Bill Gates. And when I did look into this box when we were going to get it, it looked like each subscription comes with a book that looks just like this on some, different person, whatever they're talking about. So that is the box, and we're going to go through it and see how we like it, and hopefully we do. And it looks great so far, and thanks for watching. Bye.